Hi everyone, blessed be. I wanted to show you today this witchcraft kit that I got off Amazon. Unfortunately, this is not available now because I've had the last one, but it's called the Beya Oben Witchcraft Starter Kit. It's spelled Beyaobn, so it's like a generic sort of company name. And it was about £20. I think the other one I had was one was 20 and one was like 24. I think the other one was the 20 and this is 20. This might have been the 24 one. So it comes in a box like this, and it's got just the branding on the back, so it's just called a witchcraft set, in purple, made by Shenzhen Trading. So it's made in China, and let's have a look. Now, obviously, when I'm reviewing these, I'm looking at these from the point of view of someone who's got absolutely nothing and is just starting out in witchcraft or paganism. So I'm just going to see if this is worth it. So when you open the box, it looks like this. Telling straight away, this is going to be the one that was £24, because I can just tell because it's better quality than the other one. So you get a little information card. These kind of remind me of those subscription boxes. It kind of reminds me of that, but this is not a subscription box. This is just like a one-off purchase I got off Amazon. So it gives you some information about each of the items and some steps for usage for the candles. I'm not going to look at that yet. So let's have a look. So first of all, got an altar cloth. You're not going to let me in, are you? Let me in. Ah, there we go. Hold on, because I'm washing out in the cup. There we go. Sorry, my white balance has gone weird. Does that from time to time. Because I'm pale, so I glow in the dark. Right. So, this is the altar cloth. Nice, thick, tough feeling fabric with this texture to it. So it's nicely made. And it comes like this, and it's got this star shape in the middle, with different things on. I have no idea what this means, not seen this before, and I don't know what the writing means, but hopefully it will enlighten me. But as a basic altar cloth, yeah, this will be all right. So that's okay, and that's a nice decent size as well. Then you get a altar tile, which is one with the chakras on it. So you get an altar tile with the different chakras and some sacred geometry in the background. So you could use that as an altar tile. And it comes with a bracelet with the chakra beads on and some nice lava stones. And this is nice little bracelet. And it fits. It looks quite nice actually. I like that one. And what I like about these lava type beads is they're nice. They feel nice. They're nice and smooth, even though they look lumpy. And they've got a really nice texture to them. They feel nice and smooth. So there's that. Then in here, I'll get to the herbs in a bit. In here is a little pouch. And in here we have some stones for the different chakras. So we have some amethyst, some aventurine, some sodalite, some tiger's eye, some red jasper. That one looks like rose quartz, and then that one is, what's this one? That's not a citrine. What is it? Tiger's eye, white crystal, red jasper, I can't remember what that's called. I forgot. So whatever that one's called. My brain, for some reason, that was just popped out of my head. I've just done a video with another crystal exactly like that, but yeah, I can't think. But yeah, some nice little crystals. These ones are decent size, decent quality. They're small, but they're hand-sized, and they don't look battered around like when I reviewed a different kit. So they look really nice quality, so they're quite nice. I don't like these bags. Something about this sort of rough velvety texture makes me feel squeamish, so I don't keep those. If they're the Hessian bags, I do keep them. But I'll use that for a gift for someone and give it away. We've got some little cards that you can use for your spell casting, for your intention. So you can write down your intentions on the card and either include it in a pouch or something or burn it. So useful. And it's nice thick card. Nice good quality. Quite pleased with that. I'm more pleased with this one than I was the previous kit I reviewed. Although to be fair, this one was like £5 more expensive. So that's to be expected. Right, herbs. This one, oh, sorry. Nice decorative spoon for scooping out your herbs and using them, or for some use on your altar. But this is a nice little decorative altar spoon. I quite like that. Obviously it's not food grade, but if you're just mixing some herbs together for like a pouch or something, or to burn, this is fine for stuff like that. And I don't know what it's actually made out of. What does it say it's made out of? It's definitely a metal. Oh, it just says metal magic spoon. So it's a nice little ceremonial magical spoon. That's quite nice. Right, herbs. So it comes with pouches like this, and when you buy pouches like this from like your metaphysical shop, you'll pay £1 or £2 for these. So I'm quite pleased with how many are in here. So we've got some lavender, we've got some buplurium. I've never heard of buplurium. I'll have to Google that. We've got some citronella, we've got some grapefruit flowers, some roselle. This looks like kind of like rose petals type of thing. Some good old chamomile. We've got some Gomphrena globosa, some sort of flower. We've got some sage, and this looks more like the garden sage type of thing. It's very sticky, like, you know, lots of sticks. This one's some forget-me-nots. They look like cornflowers. They're not forget-me-nots. I'll be surprised if they're forget-me-nots. I think they're cornflowers. I could be wrong. Some magnolia flower that's dried. Some yarrow root. Or some yarrow, I should say. And some... So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 herbs. I'd have to look at that closely. I mean, it's possible, but that looks more like cornflowers to me. But it is possible it's forget-me-nots. So that's quite good. You get 12 different herbs. Now they're not food. They're not going to be food grade, but you can use them in workings, like in spell jars and stuff. So that's fine. Then there's a little bell, little brass bell. So you could do some sound cleansing. Keep this on your altar space, so that's quite nice. Then here are some witchcraft candles. So let's have a look what these are like. Okay, so we've got a nice little selection of colours in here. So they're quite long. Standard magical candle width. Just a bit longer, So these are quite nice, and that's quite good because I want to do a money working and I need a green candle, so that's quite good. And then there's like a, actually this one's even better, this is more of a green. But we've got green, dark green, white, pink, red, orange, yellow, purple, blue, and black. So they're quite nice, and because of the length of them, you can carve your intention into them, so that's quite nice. So yeah, the spell candles seem quite nice. I will let you know when I burn one of them what they're like burning wise, but yeah, it's nice to have a supply of candles. And then last but not least is some little jars of crystals. Now, me being a fan of little jars, I quite like these, but also quite useful to have some little crystals to put in your little jars when you're doing your magical workings or your rituals. So we have a little jar of clear quartz chips, some red jasper chips. We have a jar of rose quartz, one of Amazon. Oh, sorry, it's not aventurine. That's going to be Amazonite, probably. Amazonite, although actually it does look like aventurine. Some amethyst, some lapis lazuli, and some citrine. So yeah, they're nice little jars. Cork sealed with little crystally chips in. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jars with crystals in, and it's quite nice that they're labelled. So these will look nice on display on my shelf, and if I need to add some crystals to like a health jar or a good luck jar or anything like that, I can add some of these to that. So in this set you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 packets of 7 little jars of crystal chips. You get a pack of fairly big witch candles, chakra bracelet, a decorative spoon, a altar bell, which sounds really nice, some decent size tumbled crystal stones, some petition paper, an altar plate, 12 was it? Yeah, 12 packets of herbs and an altar cloth. So, and also you get a card which gives you a bit of information about the products, gives you colour correspondences for the candles. Yeah, it doesn't say about the herbs being food grade, so I wouldn't eat them, like, you know, make tinctures or anything with them. But you could use them in like spell jars and stuff. And then there's a step for usage. Yeah, so it's on about like you can put the crystals and dried flowers in a small bag, make like a charm pouch. So yeah, so the instructions are very brief. Gives you one idea you can do with some of the bits. And just gives you a little bit of information. It's just like a general card. But as a starter kit for £24, this is really good. I like it. I actually really like this one. I really rate this one. This is a lot better than the other one I had. Although the other one was cheaper, to be fair. So as a starter kit, I think this is great. It gives you a nice little selection of herbs that you can use. It gives you some candles and some crystals and some little crystal chips. And then obviously if you empty the jars, you can use these jars for little health jars, good luck jars, whatever you want to use them for. Or you can get some little hessian bags and make charm bags and things. So this is a great little kit to start you off. So that's it. That is the... what's it called? The Beoben Witchcraft starter kit. Sorry, I can't pronounce it because it's a Chinese word and I don't know how to pronounce it. It's spelled like that. Beyoben. It's spelled Beyaobn. Beyoben. All the items were in the kit that we said items as described. And it's got a nice selection of herbs and crystals to get you started. It's a shame it doesn't explain the meaning of the design on the altar cloth, or what the writing meant, but it's just for decorative purposes, it's fine. Yeah, so I would give this a thumbs up. I would say if you're looking for a starter kit, then I'd go for it. Oh, actually, those petition cards, the thing that I said was petition cards, they're supposed to be I think they're supposed to be the cards. Hold on. I might have looked into that wrong. One sec. Let's have a look. These might not just be for doing petitions. I think these are actually some sort of fortune telling type cards. Are they? No. Okay. So the kit is supposed to come with... Oh no, it is supposed to come with just card, I think. One sec. Oh, 12 parchments. Yeah, sorry. It's right. The picture that they've used is misleading because it looks like this has print on it. But yeah, basically for one of their pictures to describe what the kit is, it's not showing this kit, it's obviously showing another one. But then it has got a image with all of this stuff in that's in here. So no, sorry, it is right. It is supposed to be these. These are supposed to be parchments. They're actually just pieces of card, but you could use these for petitions and for if you want to burn a petition or whatever, or add it to something. So yeah, this little witchcraft kit is actually got a double thumbs up from me. It's actually worth going for. Now, it does look like I've had the last one at the minute because it's saying it's out of stock now. I've had this one. But there might be some more coming up. But there are some similar kits on Amazon. So, you know, keep an eye out. At least with a lot of the kits on Amazon, it will show you what's inside so you get a rough idea. So yeah, this one definitely gets a thumbs up. Definitely 100% would buy again. Very pleased with this and look forward to using the ingredients inside and the items inside. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and review, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Blessed be, and bye for now.